One of our biggest successes so far has been through Mr. Happy Hall from SI Soccer, the introduction of a grassroots program.
This is one of the reasons why I love Pro TV so much. It's not just about who can pay for the camps or whatever the case is, but there's always opportunity for people who can't afford it. We offer sponsorship programs for kids who can't afford to come to the camps.
But we also include the grassroots players in our weekly training. Once we get them out there, then it's even a bigger challenge now to keep them. So we must make it fun, we must challenge them to take ownership of it as well, so that they will want to come back and be there every day. Futsal Fridays was set up to ensure that the kids have somewhere to play on a Friday. We do it indoors, so the weather does not affect us. It's a very fun activity, very fast-paced, and reflects the skill or the local flair of a Trinidadian style of play, which is a lot of dribbling, a lot of fast play, lots of goals, lots of fun. Coaches introduce each week a technical skill, and then the players are free to play games. So within the futsal, there's a lot of freedom and self-expression.
But kids, the main thing is about fun.
It's not about who better than.
We come in here to learn more about football, to have fun, to enjoy it.
I really enjoy seeing them out here, I really do enjoy seeing them out here. I don't play at all anymore, so for me it's good to see him playing and enjoying himself.